How to suggest your account to others on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to suggest your account to others on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Now tap on profile and you see those three buttons up there. Tap. Now click on setting and privacy and now tap on privacy and click on suggest your account to others, and you can turn on contact Facebook friends, people with mutual connection, and people who open or send links to you. And this is it. This is how you suggest your account to others on TikTok. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.